Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ulu Chopping Bowl is probably one of the most versatile and efficient kitchen tools you can find, seamlessly blending tradition with modern practicality. This video will explore its unique design, functionalities, and help you decide if it's the right addition to your culinary arsenal, covering everything from its ergonomic handle to its surprisingly sharp blade, and how it compares to other chopping tools. Number 5. Alaska Ulu Chopping Board. This stunning chopping board is crafted from natural alder and walnut woods, making each piece unique and beautiful. Its rich tones and grain variations add character to your kitchen. It's made with care and precision by Alaskan artisans. You can feel the quality in every detail. With dimensions of 1 to 1/16 inches thick, 8 inches wide, and 9 inches long, it provides ample space for all your chopping needs. It's perfect for preparing meals. The natural variations in the wood grain create a one-of-a-kind piece. No two boards are exactly alike, adding to its charm. This board brings the beauty of Alaskan wood into your kitchen. It's a functional work of art. Simply wipe it clean after each use with a damp cloth. Avoid soaking it in water to preserve its beauty. This beautiful board is a statement piece, but please note that a knife is not included. What we like. This handcrafted bowl boasts beautiful natural wood grains, making each one unique. If you appreciate the artistry of handmade items and want a one-of-a-kind piece for your kitchen, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who value the beauty of natural materials and the charm of handcrafted goods. What people say. A unique cutting board specifically made to hold the Ulu knife in place rather than have it rest on the counter. The Ulu knife fits precisely to the block and the storage slot is a great feature. Chopping or slicing items is efficient. The board isn't big enough for handling and cutting large amounts of greens and herbs. Number 4. Alaska Ulu Bowl Set. This stunning set is perfect for any kitchen. It's handcrafted in the USA with beautiful Alaskan birch wood and American walnut. Each piece is carefully crafted by skilled artisans, ensuring superior quality and durability. You can feel the pride in every detail. The rich, warm tones of the wood create a beautiful contrast. It's a truly unique and elegant addition to your home. The spacious bowl is perfect for preparing large meals or chopping vegetables. It's both functional and beautiful. The sharp, durable blade makes quick work of any task. It's easy to clean and maintain. The included stand keeps it organized and adds to its overall aesthetic appeal. It's a beautiful and practical addition. The unique etched handle adds a touch of Alaskan artistry. It's a conversation starter and a beautiful heirloom. What we like. This set includes a beautiful Ulu knife and a matching stand, making it incredibly convenient. If you're looking for a complete set for easy food prep and stylish storage, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want both functionality and a cohesive aesthetic in their kitchen. What people say. Item exactly as described, quickly shipped, adequately packed, no damage. Gave as a gift, the receiver loves it and uses it daily. I saw this when I was in Anchorage and stayed at a hotel on Sheep Creek next to their factory. Having a full suitcase, I decided to order from Amazon and not stress about unpacking luggage. So easy to receive and such a functional item. It sits proudly on my kitchen counter. The women in the house go crazy for this Ulu. So much so that we had to buy additional sets and send them home as gifts. Now every time there is cooking happening in the kitchen, you can put your money on it that the Ulu is out being used. Number 3. Ulu Factory Alaska Ulu. This stunning chopping board is a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Handcrafted in the USA, it combines functionality with exquisite design. It's made from rich birch and walnut wood, creating a striking stripe pattern. This durable wood is perfect for daily use. Notice the unique dog team design on the handle? It's a nod to Alaska's heritage and adds a touch of rustic charm. Each piece is carefully handcrafted in the USA, ensuring superior quality and attention to detail. You can feel the quality in your hands. It's not just beautiful, it's also incredibly functional. Use it for chopping vegetables, serving appetizers, or as a decorative centerpiece. This chopping board is more than just a kitchen tool, it's a statement piece that will elevate your culinary experience. It's a beautiful and practical addition to your home. What we like. This bowl features a unique dog team design, showcasing a touch of Alaskan spirit. If you appreciate distinctive designs and support American-made products, this is the ideal option. It's perfect for those who want a functional piece with a unique and eye-catching design. Number 2. Alaska Ulu Alder Bowl Board. This beautiful chopping bowl is crafted from durable alder wood. It's perfect for all your food preparation needs. This bowl is made with pride in Alaska using traditional techniques. You can feel the quality in every detail. The alder wood is known for its strength and beautiful grain. It's built to last for years of use. It features a convenient slot for your cutting board, keeping everything organized. This keeps your workspace neat and tidy. Prepare your meals with ease and style using this stunning and functional bowl. It's a joy to use. Add this timeless piece to your kitchen. It's both beautiful and practical. What we like. This bowl is made from beautiful alder wood and features a convenient top slot. If you value simple, functional design and appreciate the quality of Alaskan craftsmanship, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who prioritize practicality and clean aesthetics. What people say. One piece solid, not glued pieces. Makes chopping small pieces with the Ulu knife or Mezzaluna knife effortless because it holds the small pieces in place and not flying all over the workspace. The flat reverse side makes it a double-duty workhorse, and the slot to display or hold the knife rather than laying it down and possibly causing injury when picking it back up is a great idea. It's good quality and as described. Number 1. Ulu Heart Chopping Bowl Set. This beautiful set is perfect for adding a touch of romance to your kitchen. It includes a heart-shaped chopping bowl and a Mezzaluna chopper, making food preparation a breeze. Quickly chop vegetables and herbs with the Mezzaluna chopper, then serve them directly from the stunning heart-shaped bowl. It's perfect for impressing your friends and family. This set makes a wonderful gift for any occasion, from Valentine's Day to anniversaries and birthdays. It's a unique and stylish way to show someone you care. It's not just for chopping and serving. Use it as a decorative tray, a jewelry holder, or even a keychain. The possibilities are endless. To keep it looking its best, hand wash it gently and apply a light coat of oil occasionally. Avoid scratching the resin pattern. What we like. This unique heart-shaped bowl comes with a Mezzaluna cutter, adding a touch of romance and functionality. If you're looking for a stylish and versatile piece for serving and preparing food, or a unique gift, this is the perfect option. It's ideal for those who love unique designs and appreciate multifunctional kitchenware. What people say. The rocking action makes mincing fast and easy. Blade is thin, but very sharp. Cuts veggies, fruits, cheeses, and meats well. The ability to rock the knife as you cut makes things move quicker. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.